Ants are amazing animals that are well known for their organization and cooperation. Ants live in colonies of a few to millions, and each one has a distinct function. The queen reproduces, workers gather food, and soldiers protect. They use pheromones to communicate, which aids in task coordination and food source discovery. They may flourish in a variety of settings because of their cooperation. Parrots are colorful and intelligent birds, known for their ability to mimic sounds and human speech. With over 400 species, they thrive in tropical regions and often live in social flocks. These birds form strong bonds with their mates and display playful, curious behaviors. Wolves are highly social and intelligent animals, known for their complex pack dynamics. Typically living in family groups, wolves communicate through vocalizations and body language. Forests are vibrant ecosystems that support diverse plant and animal life, providing critical habitats and resources. Rivers flowing through forests nourish the land, creating lush environments and facilitating nutrient cycling. Kangaroos are unique marsupials native to Australia, known for their powerful hind legs and hopping movement. They are herbivores, primarily eating grass and leaves, and live in social groups called mobs for protection. Female kangaroos carry their young in pouches until they're ready to explore. Kangaroos are fascinating marsupials native to Australia, known for their strong hind legs and unique hopping style. They are herbivores, primarily feeding on grasses and leaves, and they live in groups called mobs for social interaction and safety. Female kangaroos carry their young in pouches, nurturing them until they're ready to explore independently. Tigers are majestic apex predators, known for their powerful build and striking orange coats. Primarily through their role as top hunters. Unfortunately, they face significant threats from habitat loss and poaching, making conservation efforts vital for their survival. Tigers are not only stunning creatures with their distinctive stripes and piercing eyes, but they also embody strength and grace in the wild. However, their populations are dwindling due to habitat loss. Sparrows are small. Often seen in flocks, they are lively and curious, foraging for seeds and insects, making them a common sight in gardens and parks. Frogs are versatile amphibians known for their distinctive calls and role in ecosystems as both predators and prey. The gentle sound of water cascading over rocks creates a soothing symphony in the jungle as sunlight dances on the surface of the small river. Surrounded by lush foliage, the black ant scurries diligently across the ground, working tirelessly to gather food and maintain its colony, showcasing incredible teamwork and resilience. Nearby, the red bee flits from flower to flower, its vibrant color a striking contrast against the greenery as it gathers nectar and pollen, essential for plant reproduction. The gorilla sits quietly, a thoughtful expression in its eyes as it gazes into the distance, lost in contemplation. With its powerful frame relaxed, it embodies both strength and vulnerability, a reminder of the complexities of wildlife. The lion stands proudly atop a large stone, its keen eyes scanning the landscape for movement. With its powerful stance and alert demeanor, it epitomizes the essence of a skilled hunter, ready to pounce at a moment's notice. Baboons, often mistaken for monkeys, are highly intelligent and social primates known for their complex social structures and expressive behaviors. They thrive in various habitats, from savannas to forests, displaying remarkable adaptability. Wild spiders are remarkable predators, often found in diverse habitats. A variety of hunting techniques, including web building and active hunting, allowing them to adapt to different environments. Red ants are industrious workers known for their aggressive behavior and complex colony structures. The tiger moves gracefully through the underbrush, its powerful muscles rippling beneath its striking coat. Each step is deliberate, embodying both strength and elegance, as it blends seamlessly into the vibrant jungle around it. The Toko toucan is a striking bird, known for its enormous, colorful beak and vibrant plumage, making it one of the most recognizable species in the tropics. Marmosets are small, social primates known for their playful nature and vocal communication. Found in Central and South American forests, they thrive in family groups, foraging for fruits and insects together. Love nature? Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing animal moments.